The thing is that first of all, what you raised the point is that in the public there is a myth that few drops can correct cataract. Being a doctor still, I had a phobia of surgery. If I have to get a cataract surgery done, why not go to the best when it is available? I had undergone cataract surgery and then lens implantation was also done for it, and I came out having a very bright vision. Immediately, I felt that my world has changed.
Good morning, madam, and welcome to Sri Ramakrishna Netralaya. I would so this interview is to share. We want to know your experience with Sri Ramakrishna Netralaya and learn from it and improve ourselves. We are a NABH accredited hospital which is patient centric, and we really thank you for coming to us for your cataract surgery. Let me tell viewers that Dr. Nirmala Idnani is a very respected doctor in the society. She is a retired zonal head with central government health scheme. She has had a vast career in this medical field with almost 40 to 45 years of practice, seeing thousands of patients, and she has been very famous among the patients for being a very good doctor. And so I wanted to ask you, madam, that what problems you were facing. Now this is just for the benefit of common people because they don't realize they have cataract.
Yeah.
But would you just share what were you feeling for which you thought you should come and show your eyes to us?
Thank you very much, Nitin Deshpande. When I got cataract, the first person to whom I should go was you only, and I wanted it to be done by you. Now I'd like to tell you this cataract. Regarding this cataract, this is just not a disease. It's just an aging process of the person. Some people may get it earlier, some people may get it late, depending on your genetic makeup and on other associated disease such as diabetes, hypertension, etc., etc. I had no other problem. I'm 75 years aged, but I had no other problem except slowly I started finding difficulty in reading very, very small words, for which I got alerted because my job is of that sort that I have to read few words which are very small below and file this thing. So I came to Dr. Deshpande. He checked my vision and he told me, of course, you are having a vision refractory correction needed, but at the same time, you are developing cataract surgery, or cataract also, which may need surgery. So I told him how early it should be done. He said, you can take your own time because it is a slow growing process and nothing is urgent, as my other parameters were all very, very normal. Now, the thing is that once the things are to be corrected, and at this matured age, I did not want to suffer beyond that, and I made up my mind to get the cataract surgery done.
As common people's belief, madam, that there can be some drops to correct cataract. So I always tell people and clarify to them that for cataract, there are no medicines. Surgery is the only option. But luckily, today's technology has advanced so much that cataract surgery has become a very safe procedure. We do phacoemulsification. We do newer technologies like robotic surgeries, which make surgery very safe, and the cuts are much smaller. The whole surgery is just done with drops, and recovery is very fast. So that morbidity or a time for which patient has to stay away from their day-to-day work is very limited. So after you came to me and we examined your eyes and we realized that you have cataract, we did all the scans to know what is the accurate power for you, and I suggested a specific type of a lens called extended depth of focus lens. Now this lens corrects distance and intermediate, but only for reading you need a glass. But advantage, it gives you a very clear distance vision because it doesn't have rings on it. So what were your thoughts about this lens implant, and now going back, do you feel your choice was right?
Okay. See, the thing is that first of all, what you raised the point is that in the public there is a myth that few drops can correct cataract. It is of course not true at all. See, so many things are being advertised, and the layman goes beyond it, and then they think that the doctor is unnecessarily telling us to go for the cataract surgery. This is, of course, not true. The people are being misled. I'm so sorry to say that so many people are misleading people in this connection. Cataracts is, of course, an aging process, and aging cannot be reversed. That we all know about it. Like graying of the hair, whatever we may do, but the hair will remain gray only. Same way, cataract once advancing cannot go back. So the only way to get a better vision is to get it corrected. And why to suffer for it when there is so much modern scientific advancement there, where you can within a week or so get rid of everything and have a very pleasurable vision and all, for which you can enjoy your life beyond that. So in this case, in my case also, I decided that why I should suffer for such a thing for which I can get a better vision. So I said I will go for this surgery. If I have to get a cataract surgery done, why not go to the best when it is available? The way the procedure is to be done, this hospital is very well equipped with all the modern advanced equipments for which a prior surgery investigations are needed, or after surgery care or the surgical procedure is needed. Of course, a word for the doctors. The doctors are all expertise in their field, and beyond that, you can't think of anything. That is the main lifeline of a hospital is the doctor. Whatever the setup is there, it doesn't matter. Finally, it is the doctor. As per the procedure, I had to go some few medical to exclude my medical problems. I had to undergo few investigations, and finally, for my lens selection, that what is known as A scan is to be done, which was all done in a very routine manner, and my surgery was very planned manner fixed, for which I had all the things cleared before going for the surgery. At the surgical this thing, I will tell you, I was so much scared of the surgery part, word surgery itself. Being a doctor's skill, I had a phobia of surgery. Before going there, I was really not sure how much pain I'll have, how I'll come out of it, and what will be the final results of it. But I can tell you, I had really realized as if no surgery was done on it. I had undergone cataract surgery, and then lens implantation was also done for it, and I came out having a very bright vision. Immediately I felt that my world has changed. All the things were looking so bright, and my attitude towards life has become different. So I still feel, no, the things are so colorful and so nice. I immediately found my world is changed. Everything was looking so bright and all. But I thought maybe after some time it may get settled, and I don't know what way the things will turn out to be. Now my left eye was operated almost 1.5 months back, and my right eye is operated a week back. I am very, very happy with it. It was like a painless surgery, and the vision is definitely improved a lot. I am able to see far off vision very properly. Far off things are looking very nice to me, and the near vision also I am able to read N/6 up to that this thing. Maybe a little correction may be needed or not. Only the time will tell. As Dr. Deshpande tells me, let the things get settled. You may need or may not need the things. Yeah. This hospital is so, first of all, the moment you enter the hospital, you get an impression of belonging to that. The people here are very cordial in their behavior. The whole staff is very, very decent, cordial, and they are very respectful towards each and every patient.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for your kind words, and thank you for selecting Ramakrishna Netralaya for your surgery. Thank you. We hope to see you a lot in future also. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.